Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today I'm wearing white color, white color to support our white flag movement. Okay, so anyone who have a problem with surviving means continue to have food, all these things, can raise a white flag, okay, and organization and people will come and help, right? So this is just, I'm not raising the white flag yet, okay, but just to support the white flag movement. There's another black shirt movement, right? From the doctors, right? That uh, they are a protest or against the what is happening to them. Okay, that one maybe you want to read it out on the news, but news has covered up a lot of things. Okay, only the white flag they talk about the black shirt they are already covered up. So white flag is more okay in the social media that you can see a lot of people raising the white flag. So uh, in my life, right, in my whole life, I never thought Malaysia can reach a level when people need to raise white flag just to survive. Okay, we always think that we are a quite very prosperous country. We don't have earthquake, we don't have tornado, we don't have a volcano. Okay, we don't have all those things. Okay, and we always think that it's very safe. So when disaster come, pandemic come, so a lot of people not ready. A lot of people not ready. Okay, so uh, 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 so those are of course not we are not saying that they are people are naive or anything, right? But okay, sometimes it's good to have when you have spare time, okay, uh, especially in this kind of condition, when you're in the internet, everything, that you can possible, okay, find a second expertise, second way to generate income, also is okay, something that is quite good, okay, that because now online very easy, okay, a lot of things can go online where you have a second uh, what you call it, expertise, right, to offer just in case your primary income, uh, like the pandemic, get damaged, get somehow affected by the pandemic. Easy said than done, but I think it's time to at least, okay, we wake up that okay, we have to do something about, okay, ourselves, or whatever that we know. Okay, enough of that complain, all those things. Okay, so let's go into market. So KOSE went up this morning. I think five more than 5, 6, 7%, right? 5, 6, 7 points, right? Then in the afternoon went back down, right? So market is very bad sentiment today. Only Thursday already got sell down. Not even Friday. So tomorrow we don't know what happened. It could be sell even more down, right? So bad sentiment. Okay, this is not a sell down. You look at this, is not a sell down. But later we go into the chart, you will see. Okay, don't look at here. Here does not tell you much. Okay, 1.6 point up is very little. After a big drop, normally we expect a certain type of correction, okay, a certain type of correction after a bigger drop. In yesterday, right, 15, 16 point drop, right, we expect a bigger correction than this. This is bad. Singapore down 6 point, Hong Kong down 166 point, South Korea 14 points down, Japan 84 points down, Thailand 5.69 point up, Philippines 62 points up, China 122 points up, FTSE, SSE 2.4 points down, SSE 122 points down. Also China, the latest news come out, the manufacturing growth is not as on par with expectation. That's why, okay, there's a negative sentiment in China manufacturing now. Australia 47 points down, Indonesia 20 points up, New Zealand 29 points up, Taiwan 1 points down, India 41 points down. So Asian market is weak today. Asian market is weak. Let's take a look at Europe. UK 51 points up, DAX, German 82 points up. So average, okay, quite good actually for Europe. US Dow Jones 210 points up, S&P 5 points up, Nasdaq 24 points up. But US actually is strong. Okay, US all these, right, almost this one not didn't break all-time high. S&P and Nasdaq already broke all-time high. Okay, so this is actually quite strong. Don't look at the numbers only. That's why we need to learn to see chart. Okay, palm oil 3727 up a bit. Brent oil 75 still holding strong, and the crude oil holding strong 74.16 oil okay holding at 1775, and silver 36. So oil is holding. Palm oil slightly improved. Brent oil going up, and US index strong, Europe index strong, Malaysia, Asia is weak. Okay, so look at this. Okay, our chart. So we talk about this, the retest, the price broke down, normally it will come back and retest. Now this one maybe already retest, so that's why this, right, I said after this, the price, okay, will be unlikely to come back up. Okay, so price continue to go down. So this is a sell down, you see this is a pin bar, okay, this is a negative, even today it went up, but even went up 1 point, but this is negative, because price already went up quite high, already 7 points, then it got sell back down, okay, this is a negative sentiment, okay, this is a negative sentiment, it's not a positive sentiment. Okay, so looks like you want to go down, but this support for you guys who are holding big, okay, you want to escape. There is some support over here, 1529 possible. There is a small rebound around this area, and the next one, if it goes through, the next one is 1493. Okay, there could be a rebound over here. Okay, so watch out. Watch out, so you see the price already got some rejection over here before it goes down. It doesn't continue to go down, but it didn't go up. Okay, so we are hoping at least a bigger rebound today. At least half of this candle. So this is not even half of this candle. Some more is a pin bar. So today already Thursday already got sell down. Tomorrow Friday don't know what happened. Wait and see. Not so good. So sentiment today 54, not so bad. Gainers 482, losers 412. So market still back a bit. Oh, this one is, wait, refresh first. Okay, so this is the final one. Just now the one is not final. So 1.6, and market sentiment 60. Actually quite okay, up 556 last minute. Just now I see also not yet. Like this, but losers 372, 373. Okay, markets drop 1.6. So look at the sector. Okay, consumer rebound a little bit, industry rebound slightly, construction continue to drop back, technology rebound a bit, finance rebound a bit, property rebound a bit, plantation rebound a bit, realty rebound a bit, energy. Today energy actually rebound quite a lot. Okay, so today we will not talk about energy yet. Maybe tomorrow it can rebound. We take a look at energy. So glove continue to drop. A lot of bad news. Telecommunication went up a little bit today, 1.19, quite good. Actually went up quite good. Transportation 0. Went up a bit. Utilities went up a bit. So today, of course, we want to focus on this one. Serba and the sister company SCIB, and also K Power. So today looks like people are choosing the bottom. So we want to see whether got opportunity to play the bottom or not. If this one is bottom or not the bottom, okay, and how to play to when we want to play the bottom. Okay. So there's some comment. Look at some comment. Chixia say LSB Bank drop, but everyday green candle because sideways like that one. Okay, sideways like that. You see green candle. Okay, you see a lot of movement, but the price either drop a bit or go up a bit. So this sideways, you have to wait for it to break out. We really talk about the area to watch the breakout. Okay, RSB quick. We take a look. Okay, so this is in the range. So the bottom is 5.3 to run, to exit. Okay, if we hold above 5.3, still can hold. Okay, this possibility. RSB Bank quite strong because going for the digital bank. So 5.4, if we break out 5.4, maybe for those not yet go in, maybe got a chance. How about IPO? Good investment. IPO leh. Here's my response. Okay. Thank you, Kalai. I would like to invest in IPO. If I know the company inside out, means inside out, not outside in. Okay, not outside in, we cannot see what is inside the IPO company. I will not invest unless I know inside out. You know what I know? What do you mean in? What I mean inside out, right? Inside out. Again, I repeat again. Inside out. I know the company, not outside in. Okay, you understand this? So I said, thank you, Mr. Cao, Mr. Chow, right? Tammy said, sometime, she said, thanks for the channel support. She said, I always thanks everybody for support. She also want to thank me for support. Thank you very much. Because in trading, it's very lonely. Okay, in investing is very lonely. And a lot of people doesn't nobody to talk to. So at least we got this channel to help her, to guide her, not to say guide, to share, okay, my information, what I know with everybody, okay, it's good. So thank you for the comment. This is very, very, okay, this is very touching. As I said right here, okay, I said that trading or investing, right, is sometimes very, very lonely. Because a lot of people in your family, they don't understand what you're doing. Okay, they don't understand what you're doing. So when you lose, you cannot say anything. When you win, you also, okay, you tell them also, they don't understand. So never mind, we got this channel, okay, anything you can, okay, comment here. At least somebody, we can share what we know here, what we want to talk. At least we can share over here. And also got Facebook. Okay, remember, visit my Facebook. Okay, if you got something to share also, hey, where is my Facebook? Oh, my Facebook is missing. Okay, we also got Facebook here. Okay, if you got anything, okay, you can post here. Okay, and also a lot of friends also leave a message in my inbox, but I won't be able to reply immediately. Of course, okay, because I got a lot of things to attend to also. So once every day I find some time, okay, I will try to reply to you. So Nicholas, thank you. This one, Eric Stan, Moose Healthy Diet, keto, sardine with cabbage for lunch, healthy with omega 3, very good. This one. I was doing a diet also because I was quite fat during the prior to this, I was quite fat. So now you see me a bit thin. I was doing on a diet. So I don't know how Eric know I'm on a diet, keto, but I'm not doing keto only diet Keto is quite extreme for me. Okay, waiting for patient. Thank you. Okay, let's go into the. Let's go into our main story. Okay, main story. SCIB. Okay, we go into the main story first. Sebah. This Sebah is still very dangerous. Sebah, I think, is still very, very dangerous. You know why? Because Sebah, right? There's still too much uncertainty. Okay, with the company. Okay, because we don't know what Ernst and Young, okay, what is the revision, Ernst and Young will come out, okay, what other problem that they might find, if they find another problem, another black flag, another red flag, this one could kaboom, okay, so this one is not to say this one out of the bottle yet, this one for me, right, I will not go in until I see a V-shaped recovery, okay, a V-shape, at least do something of a V-shape over here. Okay, then I might want to try, okay, a V shape. Okay, do you see any V shape? No V shape, right? Okay, no V shape. Okay, so Sebah, you want to play, at least it goes back up until 0.5 first. Okay, if it goes back up until 0.575, maybe there is chance to continue to go up. Okay, so the first one I want to look is 0.575. It goes back up. Okay, average up. Okay, so the second barrier will be 0.8. Okay, if it breaks 0.8, then I might add. Okay, first is here, second is here. Okay, this is how I would play. Okay, I would play. Okay, to Okay, 2 investment, because there's a gap over here, 2 investment, I will split to 2. Okay, because this, if I put everything here, right, we'll be playing big and small. Means we are no different going to Genting. Okay, going to Genting, buy big and small. Okay, buy big and small. Okay, so this is no different, your luck only. So we have to be a bit more wise, because market, we cannot control the market, but we can control ourselves. Okay, we can control our strategy. So we want to see, okay, we invest here, and don't invest this one with your money to survive. This only money you can lose. Okay, if you want to play the deep, play bottom, all this, right, because we never know where is the bottom. Bottom can can look like this, you are very happy, okay, then come again, then we are very happy, you think it's the bottom, you try to buy it up, then it go again. Okay, so bottom we never know. You know Peter Lynch, there's a famous investor in US. He say, don't never say that this must be the bottom. Okay, if you say this must be the bottom, it will go lower and lower. Okay, if you don't believe, you see Focus Dynamic go lower and lower and lower. Now only possible is the bottom Focus. So play a bit here, money you can lose. If you lose already, you don't die. Money you lose straight away die. Okay, mine as well. Okay, this one is no different than going to betting. Okay, so this one only money can lose and play small, not playing big. I don't know what is small to you. Maybe small to you is 10,000. Maybe small to you is 100,000. Maybe small to you is 1,000. So play the small one. Okay, if small for me is 1,000, I will play 1,000. If small for me is 10,000, I will play 10,000. That's it. So play small. Then if the things come back to okay, if it come back to 0.5, okay, okay, I will look into it. I might want to try. Okay, if it goes above 8.9, I will add in. I will add. Okay, so if this thing reverse down, right, we don't know, because this one have no saying Ernst and Young, we don't know what they are talking about. And also who will resign. Now people are resigning one by one. Who will resign? Okay, so this one we don't know. We are buying into a question mark. Okay, so be very careful this one. Okay, I will wait for some time of rebound first. Okay, before go in. Today rebound is too small. Okay, too small to say a good rebound. Okay, we look at the SCIB. Well, SCIB today 45%. So this is more energy. Okay, this is more energy. So this one, if you want to play like that, okay, if I want to play tomorrow, if it continue go up, you see, you don't, we cannot assume tomorrow will continue go up. You see, every time that it have a big push, the price go back down. Every time have a big push, the price go back down. So this could be the same thing. So tomorrow, when to see whether it continue or not. Okay, whether it continue. If tomorrow cannot continue, tomorrow start to sell down again, so don't go in. Okay, if tomorrow continue to go up, stay above 0.75, okay, this is the first entry. Okay, buy a little bit. Remember, only small money can afford to lose. Don't play big, small. Don't put your survival on this. Okay. Secondly, okay, if it goes through 0.98, okay, I will add. Okay, I will add the second entry. Then we have to see whether it still can continue. If it cannot continue to go up, take profit. Okay, if it continue to go up and stay above 0.98, okay, we will look for 1.4. Okay, if hit 1.4 cannot go through, okay, we take profit. If it pass 1.48, okay, add another or take profit. Okay, this one is very big. This one is very big resistance. So this one be very careful. 1.4 is very big. Okay, it's very big. This one is smaller resistance. Okay, this one possible can go through. This one will be quite difficult to go through. Okay, so first, okay, tomorrow continue go up. Might want to buy a little bit. Pass. Okay, see whether it can go through 0.98. It cannot go through 0.98. Be very careful. Okay, it go to 0.98. Buy a little bit. Then we look for 1.4. Okay, after 1.4, look, after it hit 1.4, you see what happens. Goes through, maybe add some. Okay, if cannot go through, take profit. Okay, this is how I will play SIB and K Power. Okay, K Power, so tomorrow, okay, you want to see, okay, whether it can go up or not. So tomorrow, if it continue to go, first buy is here, okay. If we look at 1.29, whether it can break 1.29. If it cannot break 1.29, maybe take profit. If it can break above 1.29, this will be the second one, okay, second buy, okay. So 1.29, if then the third one will be 1.5. Okay, 1.5 is again the very strong resistance. 1.5 is very strong resistance over here. Okay, 1.5 to and let me see 1.5 to 1.7 which is this one this one. Okay, this resistance. Okay, 1.5 to 1.7. Okay, so we want to see here what happened. Okay, if it reverse back down, maybe take profit. If it can continue break up, okay, continue break up, then we want to maybe add, okay, maybe add to it, okay. But this would be a good place to take profit, okay, because why? 80% already, okay. So this one, okay, this is how I would play it, okay. This is how I would play it if I want to, okay, if I want to try to buy the bottom, okay. Stop loss is 0.595, okay. But this one, okay, if you play start with very small, you can after we put in, right, we can think that the money could be lost forever, okay. Maybe don't put a stop loss also, okay. Don't put a stop loss also, okay. Wait for it to go down to the dip, then only come back up, okay. Because you put small money, money that you can afford to lose, wait for it to come back down next time also. But okay, even to put a stop loss, okay, I would put a stop loss here, better lah, okay, 0.58, okay. For SCIB, okay, SCIB, okay, 0.455 is the stop loss, okay, 0.455. Okay, so that's it for this one. Let's go to the news. Take one share drop 11%, so be careful, take one. So I got post something also today. K Power, okay, K Power and SIB successful, big profit, if not big loss, so this one be careful. So also today Genetec continue to fly, okay, Genetec continue to fly. Edelran also today Goring not successful, come back down, so this one be careful, okay. High risk, these two. Now these two is considered very high risk already, chasing now is too late. SP Setia got chance, okay. If SP Setia continue to go up, in the next few days, I think got chance to go to the public bank price, okay, 1.25. So Johor Tin again, as client abroad more orders, so we take a look at Johor Tin. I think Johor Tin got some chance. Johor Tin is starting to make a higher low, a low and a higher low, okay, a higher low, okay, looks like it want to reverse up, okay. So this one possible, okay, possible. This one is another buying the bottom, okay, buying the bottom. Want to invest now? Invest first, invest small here. Okay, if it can go through 1.625, maybe invest another here. Okay, so the price that the TA give is 2.3, okay, quite far away, 2.3, okay, the fundamental price, so so this one, okay, you see how it goes, okay. But if you want to be safe, the safest one is wait for it to break 1.625 first, okay. It means there's a breakup, okay, a breakup of this channel, okay, a breakup of this channel and a breakup of this previous high, okay, previous high. Then this is the better, more safer, okay. Here maybe you want to play a little bit first, or play a little bit, buying the bottom, is buying the bottom. Okay, normally I don't buy bottom, okay, but now condition change, now condition change. When the market is very bullish, when the market is bull or market is strong, we only wait for breakout, okay, bullish breakout, So now the market condition changed already. So now we are playing very small. We're playing very small. Then maybe can try the take some bottom, pick some bottom. Nescon up, but Nescon this one chart cannot see. Nescon is just cannot see, so we cannot talk. So again, downgrade sector to neutral on weaker earning prospect. So CIMB also now downgrade rubber glove to last time from buy to neutral. So manufacturing Malaysia PMI drop. Okay. Purchasing manager index so means they are buying less raw material means they expect the economy to slow down. So this is the first sign of a slowdown economy from 53 to 39 drop. This is bad. So Malaysia oil industry faces a lot loss due to the labour crunch. Not enough labour, not enough production. So Malaysia second highest 258,000 today COVID vaccine, and now everyone want to go into fintech, the digital bank. So there's one is a BigPay Asia. So this one maybe you want to watch out. BigPay Asia, Grab, okay, Grab, YTL. So all these maybe you want to put it in your shortlist, and CIMB Public Bank. Okay, all these you want to put in your shortlist for your watch list. See whether you got any chance or not. So Asia now operating at 90% only. Pre-pandemic capacity. So Malaysia only 8%. That's why our V-shaped recovery like that already. No loss but no profit. Okay, V-shaped recovery so cannot. Now no recovery can happen. You look at KLCI, there's no recovery. No recovery for anyone. Okay, any sector no proper recovery. Most likely going to fall. This is a big fall. This is a big fall. You see okay, this is quite a big fall, and it break the bench, break the support. So Semaiden Circus 46 million project. We look at Semaiden quickly. So Semaiden is still on the downtrend. Still on the downtrend. Wait for breakout of this channel first. Maybe 1.665. Okay, so still on the downtrend. Still doesn't look very good to invest. So Genetec continue to fly. So today COVID is 6,988. Can you imagine? Going back to 7,000 again. As yesterday, right? I talked about yesterday, right? That they expect going back to 7,000. So Vivokom got this Stratner Group invest on Vivokom. Okay, so take a quick look at Vivokom. So Vivokom got nothing. Okay, nothing. No breakout. Okay, if you want to buy, at least need to have a breakout. Price go above 0.82. Okay, then only possible. Okay, there's opportunity, or else I think any rebound it will come back down only. Okay, any rebound it will continue to come back down. So roadside parking free. So Indonesia business one of risk of layoff and bankruptcy. They are warning only. Malaysia a lot of business already bankrupt. Risk of layoff. So we are as bad as them. Free roadside parking. So KL from tomorrow until August 31st. Free parking. So don't pay the parking money in KL. Roadside is not in the complex. So iCitra designed for members to withdraw account 2, not account 1. So server decay, server today 50% up. So what else did I miss? Hapsing. So our friend Johnson say Hapsing could be in play because of the dry food in play now. Dry food. So Hapsing still in triangle. We need to wait for a breakout first. Okay, Hapsing is still in the triangle. Breakout of the triangle first. Maybe around 0.96. Now it's 0.945, right? We can break above 0.96, maybe got chance. Okay, that's it for today. Remember, can you subscribe, like, and share my channel? Okay, support my channel. Thank you very much for your support. And remember, afternoon, check out Trading with KS. Okay, my Facebook. Every day 2 video, Sunday 2 video. One in Chinese, one in English. Okay, stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.